Hey Siri, it's me.
Hey.
Play Last Christmas by George Michael.
Don't you mean Wham?
Hey Siri, it's me. Please play Last Christmas by Wham.
Here's Last Christmas by Wham.
What?
No! Ow! Ow! Oh my gosh. Okay, anyone from high school watching knows that I have very flighty shoulder sockets. And sometimes my shoulder just flies out of socket and goes right back in, but it hurts. And that just...
You're crying!
It hurt! Whew, okay.
I've never seen that happen.
I thought it was a high school thing. Like, I thought I grew, my body matured out of it.
The power of Wham.
The power of Wham!
You're crying now.
Merry Christmas! I can't believe that happened. Nonetheless, the show must go on. Happy holidays. The holiday season is in full swing here in the world, and I could not be more excited to share this amazing Christmas recipe with you. I came across this the other day on foodnetwork.com. Shout out to you, Trisha Yearwood, and your niece, I think. As always, I'm going to be tweaking this recipe, so it is my own. Thank you very much. For this recipe, you will need 2 apples, a roll of crescent rolls. You'll also need white and brown sugar, coconut oil, butter, cinnamon, or as you know we love, our spice blend, so I have pumpkin pie spice. I already preheated my oven at 350 degrees. Now what we're going to do is start melting 1/4 stick of butter. Whoa. Okay, yeah, that's very hot. And then I'm going to supplement with a couple tablespoons of coconut oil because I love that coconutty undertone flavor. This extra coconut oil is good for your elbows. With this handy dandy tool, it's going to be super simple and easy to it's going to be super easy and simple to core and peel these apples. Thank you so much to the wonderful fan and viewer that sent this. I'm not going to kiss it. You know what? I'm using this.
What is going on?
Discard the cores. Oh, I should have peeled. Oh, okay, that's fine. We're fine. You know what? We're doing it with the peels on. We gotta go on the fly. We gotta go. We gotta do this. Next, put some white sugar in there. How much, you ask? A tablespoon, as well as a tablespoon of brown sugar. Start to combine. What we're making is apple dumplings. I don't think I've said that yet. We're gonna be wrapping each slice of apple in a little bit of crescent roll or biscuit dough. 1, 2, 3. Nope, didn't work. Now comes the fun part. Me when I wear a tight shirt. Y'all, if this ain't my summer bod goals. And what you can do is just take each individual triangle and with that, wrap up your delicious apple slice. So I got 1 Honeycrisp and 1 Pink Lady apple. So one will be nice and mellow and mild and one will be pretty tart and sweet. So I think it'll be really fun because you won't know when you're picking which slice is inside. Essentially, you're just wrapping little presents, right? Each little dumpling is its own little gift made with love. Amazing. All done. Okay, so I'm gonna gather my dumplings all in just a nice big, a nice small formation. They're gonna be nice and close together in this pan. Ideally, you would use like a cake pan, but this might surprise you. We don't have one, and just dump. So the sugar didn't really dissolve yet. And in the oven she goes. Set that timer for 10 minutes, sisters, and I'll meet you back here real quick in a jiff. All done. I must grab. Ooh, It's time for the taste test. So what you can do with the excess is just dip it in there. Okay. Oh boy, this is gonna be hot, hot.
Go for it. Is it good?
It's delicious, y'all. I cannot be more impressed that a simple ingredient recipe such as this can really just save Christmas. Flaky, buttery, savory flavor of the croissant wrapped around this crunchy, crisp, delicate, sweet apple is just too much to bear. I don't know what else there is to say other than happy holidays. I hope it is the best holiday season for you and yours. I hope all your dreams come true. And I will see you soon on the next episode of Baking with Wyatt.
Hot?
Are you recording?